Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix unable to verify app on iPhone iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First solution, you have reset or setting your iPhone. So then you have open the setting, scroll up, then you click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset, then you have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting. Then second solution, you have go back from here. So then second solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. And then third solution, you have disable VPN connection on your iPhone. When you have facing this issue, unable to verify app on iPhone, so then you have disconnect VPN on your iPhone. So then you have open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on VPN and device management. So then you have click here, and then you have disconnect from here. I have already not connected, so you have must be disconnect on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have clear iPhone storage. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on iPhone storage. So then you have clear space from here. So then you have delete any iPhone photos, videos, apps, and then something others. So you have delete from iPhone storage. Then last solution, you have must be check date and time, then you are facing this issue on iPhone. So then you have again click on setting, click on general, click on date and time, and then you have set that automatically on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.